2008 Chevy Impala 3900 V6. What we're gonna do today, change the thermostat. We don't have no heat, and this top hose is hot. This bottom one right here, it's cold. Right, this one. Alright, a lot of vehicles have the thermostat right here on top. Some of the vehicles have it right here on the bottom. In this case, Chevy Impala have it right here. Right here. Take this one out. Very easy. Right, I'm gonna pause for a second and get this clamp out of here. Got two bolts. One right here is a little triggy. You got another clamp hanging into it. Look like a bolt and nut together. Have another one here in the bottom. It's kind of hard to see. Finger that right over here. Hard to see. Hard to feel. Right over here. These two bolts. Get them out of there. And maybe get this little clamp out of there. Maybe get these hoses out of the way. I'm gonna pause it for a second and get back with you.